Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials. I want to bring you another original knot. This is going to be the crescent knot. Let's get started. This is my left side, it's at the belt line. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put in a fold, bring the skinny end over to the center, and then we're going to come up and over. We're going to come down and around. I'm going to fold this in half, come across the bottom like that. Then we're going to come back around this way. Then I'm going to do a wreath. Around this whole crescent here. So we have it like looking like this, but it's kind of tempted to go this way. So what I then want to do is I want to come across the bottom like that with it folded in half, kind of like more over here, and then just bring it back around like this to kind of keep it in place. So here's our crescent. Then I'm going to come up and over here like this. Still folded in half, we're going to come back through here. And then back around, and then back up and over here like this. So there you have the crescent. You can see your crescent right here. Boom. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. I'll catch you in the next video. Again, see this picture on Instagram at Simmonsessentials. Peace and God bless.